Disclaimer: this is an imaginary story. Please don't relate it with any idol or any other person. It's nothing related to anyone's life. It's pure work of fiction. Any resemblance to actual persons, living or dead, or actual events is purely coincidental. Whatever pics are shown in this story, they all have been taken from Google and Pinterest. The credit for them goes to their real owner. Storyline and voice are mine, so please don't copy that. Arthur's point of view. Luna Jin gave his best to protect Jimin and his pup. He was ready to sacrifice his own pup, but that says na nobody can harm who was guided by God, by Jimin's rare Omega power and everyone's combined help. They succeeded to make Haru weak. Haru attacked on Yunmin's pup, but as soon as Haru's evil power met with Yunmin's pup's fire and water shield, Haru's soul destroyed. With the end of Haru, all the soul which he cased in his wand got freed too. They all thanked Pup and disappeared. Pup came in Cookie's arms. A big rainbow appeared. It gave Cookie a newborn pup's whole responsibility and declared him as his protector. By seeing Cookie's indomitable courage, Rainbow decided to give him a reward. It told Cookie to ask any one wish. Cookie asked everyone's safety and security. He didn't ask anything for himself. Rainbow told him that it could heal by any one person. So Cookie asked Hobie's health. Rainbow got impressed by Cookie's intelligence and courageous nature, so he became Hobie normal and blessed Cookie with the divine and massive power which he would get when right time comes. Because of Cookie's presence of mind, Hobie got back his senses and treated others. Luna Jin recovered slowly because he lost his lots of blood. June gave him a small surprise. Jin was so happy to get back his Alpha's love, which he craved. June apologized for hurting him, but Jin immediately stopped him. Later, Yunmin told to Jin give a name to their pup. Jin named him Taeyang. Everyone was so happy. June asked from Jin how and when he found out about Haru's evil intention. Jin told them about the curse on Omega. How, with the help of Hobie, he found out that Jimin was rare Omega who was raised by a human couple. How he betrayed June for everyone's safety. All the truth were unfolded. After knowing everything, June went in deep guilt and sorrow. He was blaming himself for Jane's pain. He couldn't stand for his mate's respect. He hurt him physically, mentally, and emotionally. But Jin easily forgave him with a smile. But he couldn't forgive himself. He made a decision. If you haven't watched the story from starting, then link is in pinned comment. Watch it. Let's see what happens next. They all returned back to their palace. Everyone did their grand welcome. They were happy to know about Alpha Yungi's pup, T, and Haru's death. Cookie was in Yunmin's room with T. June was talking with his minister, and Jin was walking in the corridor with heavy heart. Jin, while touching the wall, just few minutes more, then I will become a normal Omega from Luna. I never thought this day will ever come that I have to leave my Luna's position. I have to leave my royalty. Why does it hurt like one of my part is going apart from me forever. I knew this when I denied to tell the truth to Alpha June. I knew this he would have snatched my Luna's position for betraying him. I even thought the worst treatment, but I didn't get that. Alpha Jone's slap and whip didn't hurt me this much leaving my Luna's position is hurting. Haru's electric shock only hurt my body, but this is hurting my soul. How will I live without my powers? How will everyone address me? I can't even imagine my name without Luna. Why is it hurting this much? Why is accepting the reality this much hard? Soon Alpha June will officially declare that I'm not Luna anymore. All my powers will be taken away in the full court. What will I say to Cookie? Why did his dad snatch his mama's crown and Luna's status? How will I see myself without crown? I don't have any regret over my deeds, whatever I did for everyone's safety, but by this truth can't be changed that I betrayed Alpha June. I kept secret from him. I denied to answer him. I'm an Omega and Omega aren't allowed to deny. I didn't only betray Alpha, the leader, I betrayed my mate too, who always took away my pain even without saying anything. Why is it this much hard? I never had any greed for royalty and crown. Then why do I feel this much hurt? If I request Alpha June to not snatch my Luna's position and give me one more chance, then he will definitely listen to me. But it's the taking advantage of my position. Servant, kneel down. Luna Jin, Alpha June called you in the court. Jin. Jin was facing the wall. He couldn't speak anything except He was holding back his tears. All those tears were choking him. He felt a massive pain in his throat like thorns. He couldn't hold back his tears anymore, and hot tears started flowing from his eyes. There was no one except him. He fell on the floor while covering his mouth for preventing to not make any noise. Stepping down from your position by your own choice won't hurt that much, but by snatching back your rights and forced you to step down from your position definitely hurt the worst, because you weren't ready to do this. You were forced to do this. Jin's broke down wasn't selfishness, it was the pain of taking away his part. It was his love. Luna wasn't only a status for him, it was a part of his identity. Without it, his name is incomplete. He was incomplete, but now nothing can happen. Alpha June called him. It was the time to say goodbye to his Luna's position and accept the reality. He stood up and wiped his tears. He made himself presentable and walked towards the court. With every step, his nervousness was increasing. His heart was pounding. He was scared. He didn't know after the announcement how would his face anyone. He didn't know anything. He was shaking from inside. He saw Cookie was standing outside of the court while carrying Titi. He sent him in a room. When he came to the room, his heart skipped a beat. He saw there were Yunmin and Na June. His Luna's crown and royal cape were there along with more crowns. But what scared him the most there was Alpha June's crown. too. He immediately looked upward. None of them were wearing crown. Jimin didn't get his crown yet, but why weren't Alpha Yungi and Alpha June wearing their crowns? Yunmin was looking so mad. First time he saw Yungi this much mad and furious. It looked like he was controlling himself from throwing his hands. Jimin wasn't looking less mad than him. June was looking so hurt. But what happened here? Jin's broken eyes met with June's hurtful eyes, and they both immediately looked away. There was pin drop silence. Jin thought to break the silence. He asked Jin, baby, in a scared voice, What happened? June, Jin, I made a decision. Jin, heartbroken to hear only Jin holding back his tears. What? Yungi, Luna Jin, address him properly. I won't tolerate this much disrespect. He is our Luna. It would be better if you give him the respect, Alpha June said by grinding his teeth and making a fist behind his back. June, no, he isn't Luna anymore. He lost that place at that day when he decided to stay quiet and betray me. Jimin, sorry to speak in between, Alpha June, but he did that for our pack. There wasn't his personal interest. It's wrong. Jin held his hand. Jimin, Alpha June is right. I'm not looked upward and took a deep breath. I'm not a Luna anymore. I'm only Jin, a normal Omega. Jimin yanked his hand. Luna Jin, you can't stop me. I won't agree with you. You were a Luna. You are a, and you will always be. If Alpha June won't give you your rights, then snatch it from him. You can't give up this easily. I won't let this happen. Yungi held Jimin's hand. I am with Jimin. I won't let Alpha June take away your Luna's position. Luna means Luna Jin. I will see how will he declare this. I'm ready to fight for you. Jin, Alpha Yungi, Jimin came from human world. He didn't know about our rules, but you know now. Try to understand the situation. Alpha June is right. I am not Luna Jin anymore. I am only Jin, Alpha June's mate, and Jimin. Whatever may be reason, but the truth is that I had betrayed him. I betrayed the leader of my pack. I went against him so many times. Alpha June, my mate, can be forgive me, but Alpha June, the leader, can't. Betraying isn't simple mistake. It's an unforgivable sin. Alpha June is a leader. He can't take any decision by being emotional. He has to take some tough decision. He has to set the example in front of everyone that he didn't forgive his mates mistake. He is right at his place. Pointed his finger on June's alpha crown. This crown comes with lots of responsibilities. We can't think about ourselves. I am with Alpha June. I stepped down from my Luna's position a long ago. Only its announcement will be made today. It's the crown, not an ornament which we can wear by our choice. If it's taken off once, it can't be worn again. It's the royal rule. Yungi, I don't follow this rule. June, whether you want or not, but everyone has to follow the rules. Jin can't become Luna again. I made a decision that I will step down from my leader's position. Jin immediately looked at him. Alpha? June, When you can't be Luna, then how can I be Alpha? If you betrayed me, then I risk my pack in danger. I won't deserve this crown. From now onward, Alpha Yungi will be the leader and Jimin will be Luna. Jimin, clapped. Wow, what a perfect movie. I thought only human world is suffering from disease of greatness, but today I found out this disease is in werewolf world too. Went closer to June. I won't accept Luna's position. This is only Luna Jin's and nobody can snatch it from him. Jungi went to Jimin, and this leader's position is only yours. Nobody can handle these positions better than both of you. Luna Jin's position stripped down in front of you, me, and Haru. Haru's dead now. I don't remember any such incident happened. You both are made. In alone, you can do anything. We can't believe you. If you want to step down from your position, then first bring the witness of Lunajin's removal. We don't have time for your nonsense. Court is waiting for his leader and Luna. Come fast. Yunmin angrily left from there, leaving Namjin alone, who were looking at door frame. June placed his hand on Jin's shoulder and he hugged him tightly and started crying. Jin, I'm sorry, Alpha. I didn't know because of me you have to lose your leader's position. June, while rubbing his back, we are so lucky that we have such youngers who kicked the throne for us. Broke the hug and wiped his tears. Stopped crying. Court is waiting for its Alpha and Luna. He picked Luna's crown and placed it on Jin's head and made him wear his royal cape. He wore his crown too. Now Jin was feeling completed. They both went to court and gave Yunmin and T their crowns and officially introduced Jimin and T to his pack. He declared that now onwards Luna Jin would be the protector of the pack and every Omega would be treated in respective manner. Time skipped at night. June was standing on the balcony and thinking about whatever happened in past few days. He still had the guilt. Self-realization hurt the most. While searching him, Luna Jin came there. He back hugged him and said, Jin, Alpha, what are you doing here? I was searching you everywhere. June, while rubbing his arms, I'm thinking about past and recalling my sins. How I left you alone when you needed me the most. Jin broke the hug and fit himself under June's strong arms. You never left me alone. You were always there for me. Without your power and strength, I couldn't do anything. June stopped diverting the topic. I humiliated you the most. I never gave you the love and respect which you deserved. I'm feeling ashamed on myself. I couldn't become a good mate. Jin, what respect are you talking about? Did you forget Omega didn't have any respect? They were only the toy for their Alpha. You gave me the respect. You always treated me like your Luna. You loved me. You gave me more than what I deserved. All those beatings, humiliations, degraded words weren't real. They were only for Haru. Don't blame yourself. I don't have any complaint regarding them. At that time, those were necessary. It's all end with Haru. Can't you move on? I don't want to remember all those things. June, why are you this much good? Jin, because I'm Luna. June kissed on his forehead. Yeah, my Luna. Cook came there. Mama, Tata. Hugged June's leg. June, you came here alone? Where is your baby? Cook, Cookie gave Titi to Uni. Uni should do some work now. All the time, either he eats or sleeps. Cookie wants to spend some time with Cookie's mama and dada. June picked him in his arms. Cookie did good. Dada missed Cookie so much. Dada loves Cookie so much. Today Dada will tell Cookie a story of the courageous and beautiful Luna. Cook. No one can be more beautiful than Cookie's mama. Cookie's mama is the best. June looked at Jin. That's true. Time skipped after a few days. Titi opened his eyes. He was trying to recognize everyone with the help of their smell. Cookie was learning how to change his form in wolf. He hadn't gotten his wolf form yet. Hobie went back to his place. Cookie slept with Yunmin for handling Titi. Today Titi got his one more power. What? Let's go and check. Namjoon were sleeping peacefully in their rooms. Suddenly June screamed in pain. June screamed, "Ah!" Jin immediately woke up and looked at June. Alpha, what happened? Why are you screaming? June, while surprising his pain, Luna, look down. Jin looked down and found Titi. Titi, what are you doing here? June, Luna, you can talk with him later. First, pull him back. He is biting my butt. Jin, okay, pulled Titi back, but he wasn't ready to leave June. Alpha, he isn't ready to leave you. June, I think he is hungry. Jin, Titi, come to me. I will take you to your mama. He will give you milk, okay? Come. Try to pull him back. June, don't pull. He hold me very tightly. Placed his index finger in his mouth and T started biting his finger. Jin, he is such a brat. June lay down on the bed and raised T in air. What's this, Jin lay down beside June. Alpha, see, how is he smiling? June, he's teasing us. Spin tea in and he started laughing. Luna, our Cookie wasn't this much brat. This boy will never gonna listen to me. Jin, I'm thinking the same. But how did he come here? Yunmin must be worried for him. June looked at T, who was grinding his teeth. This boy is full of mystery. I think he got new power of disappearing. Placed T on his bicep and pulled, and he immediately started biting it. Jin, let me inform Junmin that Titi is here. They must be worried. June, Cook came there. Mama, Dada, Titi went somewhere. June, hey, little express, Titi is here. Showed him his bicep. Cook went to him. But what is she doing here? June, biting your dada's bicep. Cook climbed on June and let down on his chest. Dada, won't be mad. Cookie will talk with Titi and make him understand that biting is wrong. June strokes his hairs. It's all right. Sleep for some time. Looked at T, who was busy in biting, and smiled. Time skipped after some times. Cookie was doing sword practice in ground with Yoongi, and Titi was sitting on ground and eating honey. Jimin was searching him in whole palace. Ever since he got his disappearing power, he disappeared and went anywhere. He met with Jin, who was looking so mad. Jimin, Luna Jin, what are you doing here? You are looking so mad. Jin, don't ask Jimin. Pot of honey is. Jimin, Luna Jin, what happened? You are looking so mad. Jin, don't ask Jimin. Pot of honey is missing. By the way, what are you doing here? Jimin, what else I do rather than searching that brat? Jin, what? He again got disappeared? Jimin, I searched him everywhere. Jin, he must be with Alpha June. Jimin, he isn't with him. I'm coming from him. Jin, then he must be with Cookie. Jimin, I'm also thinking so. That's why I'm going to practice ground. They both reached at there and found Jungkook were practicing the sword and Titi was sitting on the ground and eating pot of honey. Jimin, Luna Jin, here is the thief. He stole your all the honey. Jin, I'm so done with him. First strawberries and now honey. Jimin, Titi, what are you doing here? Give back Luna the pot of honey and come with me. T looked at them and showed his tiny tongue. Jin, more mad, he sticks his tongue. Now I won't give you strawberries. Walk to him. Wait, let me teach you a lesson. T got disappeared. Now, where did he go? Jimin, Luna, he's behind you. Jin turned around. Cookie didn't trouble me this much this brat is doing. About to pick him, but he again got disappeared. Ah! June, Luna, what happened? You are looking so mad. Jin turned around. Alpha got shocked to see T on his shoulders. You brat, you climbed there. Step down. Walked towards him, but he again got disappeared. Yoongi, Luna, Jimin, Alpha, June, you all are here. What happened? Cook, everyone came here to see Cookie's practice, na? Jin angrily looked at Yoongi. Your brat son is boiling my blood. As soon as I go near him, he disappears. Yoongi, what's my mistake in this? Why are you scolding me? Cook, Mama, calm down. Titi only wants to play, but everyone is busy, na? Wait, Cookie will talk with Titi. Titi, come back. We will play with Titi. Jimin tapped his hand on Jimin. Luna, Titi is there. Jimin pointed his finger on practice ground wall. Titi was sitting on the edge and other side was river. He was eating honey while teasing them by showing his tiny tongue to them. As soon as they took a step, Titi lost his balance and fell. Everyone screamed, Titi! To be continued. Author's note. That's it for today. I hope you all liked it. Link of the playlist of this story is in pinned comment. Watch it if you haven't watched it yet. Finally, Jin got what he deserved. He got back his Luna's position, his Alpha's love, respect from everyone, one more pup in TT's. Jun's sudden decision made everyone shocked, but both Yunmin were quick to stop him. Self-realization hurts the most. Jin was able to free June from his guilt. RTT already chose his favorite target. Your favorite Namjoon's romance will be next part. Stay tuned. I hope you all enjoyed it. We will meet soon with next part. Till then, take care of yourself. Love you all. If you like this story, then please do like, subscribe, share, and comment. I assure you that you will never gonna regret on your decision. Thanks for watching.